Causes of gas and bloating are the indigestion of our foods, meaning we are not digesting our proteins, our starches, and our fats completely. And those undigested foods sit in our digestive system and create gas and bloating. The number one reason that someone would not be digesting their foods is because they're not producing enough digestive enzymes from the pancreas. Another reason would be that, especially with carbohydrates, that they're not chewing their foods enough in the mouth, because in the mouth you have salivary amylase, which is the first stage of digestion of starches. So if you're just washing your foods down and not chewing them, then the first stage of digestion in carbohydrates is compromised. So it's very important to understand, and as we get older, we do not produce as many digestive enzymes from the pancreas as we do when we're younger, unfortunately.